Hello everyone, I welcome you to With My Plant channel. Today we are here to understand the role of gibberellin in seed germination. Before this, in the series of gibberellin, I have already covered the biosynthesis of gibberellin, the role of gibberellin in agriculture, and also the history of gibberellin discovery. So now today we are here for the important aspect of gibberellin, as it is very important for the seed germination, and seed is the most important agricultural input. Okay, so let's start. So before starting the whole topic of or mechanism of gibberellin to for involving in seed germination, let's first understand the structure of seed. For the structure of seed, I am going to draw a seed just like this one. Okay, so the most of the part of seed is basically your endosperm. If I'm talking about a monocot seed, obviously. Okay, so this is the endosperm. Endosperm is basically the stored food material. For whom this food material is? It is for embryo. Okay, second important, so now the embryo is situated here. Okay, before that one tissue is there known as scutellum, and the seed is covered by a seed coat. We can call it as testa. Okay, and beneath the this seed coat, there is one layer which is basically a unicellular layer. I'm writing here a unicellular layer named as alluron layer. Now what is this alluron layer? Alluro word is used for protein. Just remember in every case. Okay, alluro word is used for protein. So this layer is composed of single cell. It is a layer of single cell. Okay, so one cell layer it is there. It is, and these cells are basically rich in protein. That's why this layer is called as alluron layer. Okay, so now let's understand the mechanism. Okay, the first step, before this we have to understand what is germination. What is germination? So if we see the process of germination, the first step in germination is your imbibition. I hope everyone is understanding imbibition. If anyone is there who is not understanding imbibition, just comment down below. I will uh, make a separate video on imbibition, diffusion, osmosis, water potential, everything. Okay, so it starts with imbibition. So in the imbibition, what is happening? Hard seed coat is absorbing or adsorbing water, and because of this the seed coat is now soft. This hard seed coat is now soft. Okay, because of this softness in the seed coat, water can enter into the seed. Okay, water can enter into the seed. Now the embryo synthesizes gibberellin and then releases them into the starchy endosperm through scutellum. So when water is entering through your heart seed coat to the endosperm and through scutellum, it is going to your your embryo. Embryo embryo is having gibberellic acid. So so uh, after achieving water, or after having water, it will release gibberellic acid, and the gibberellic acid will move from embryo to scutellum, and from scutellum to endosperm, and from endosperm to the alluron layer. Okay, gibberellin spread to the alluron layer through diffusion. Now this movement is happening through diffusion. I hope everyone understands diffusion. If there is any confusion, comment down below. I will prepare separate video. Okay, so through diffusion process, gibberellic acid is moving from embryo to scutellum, from scutellum to endosperm, from endosperm to alluron layer. The cells of the alluron layer are stimulated to produce and release alpha amylase and other hydrolase into the endosperm. So as I told before, this alluron layer is rich in protein. Okay, alluron layer is rich in protein, and this protein will make active enzyme. Okay, and the first enzyme which is forming is alpha amylase. Okay, alpha amylase, from the name you can understand that it is working on your carbohydrate or amylose. Okay, so the cell of the alluron layer are stimulated to produce and release alpha amylase and other hydrolase enzyme. Hydrolase enzymes are basically made for breakdown of complex biomolecules. Biomolecules meaning carbohydrate, protein, lipid, everything. Okay, nucleic acid even. So next point is your large molecule. As I told, large molecules such as starch and other macromolecules are converted into smaller molecule because of these breaking down enzymes. Okay, the solutes in the endosperms are taken by scutellum and conveyed to the developing embryo. So what is now happening from this alluron layer, or from in this picture you can understand, here the alluron layer will be present. This alluron layer, the enzyme will be produced, and sorry, the enzyme will be produced and it will move to the endosperm area. In the endosperm area, the food material will be converted to simpler molecule, and this simpler molecule will move to the embryo through the scutellum, and this embryo will now utilize the simpler food material, and it will, through respiration, it will utilize those food material and produce ATP, which will helpful for growth and development of your root and shoot. And this is how the seed will germinate with the help of your gibberellic acid. Okay, so this is all about the mechanism of gibberellic acid in germination, or the role of gibberellic acid in germination. So if you are not getting, so just comment down below. I will make it in the video in simpler form so that everyone can understand. Okay, so if you understand, then like, share and subscribe my channel. It will be a great support and encouragement to my channel. Thank you.